Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off secure storage for the Messenger app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Secure storage saves your end-to-end encrypted chat history remotely. When you have secure storage enabled, if your phone gets lost or stolen, you can download your chat history onto your new phone. If secure storage is not turned on, you will lose all of your chat history if your device gets lost or stolen. However, you may not like that Messenger has your chat history stored, even though it is encrypted. If this is the case, you can turn off secure storage so your Messenger chat history will only be stored on your devices. Open the Messenger app and tap the 3 lines button in the top left corner. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Tap Privacy and Safety. Then tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Select Message Storage. Tap Turn off Secure Storage at the bottom of the options. Note that with secure storage turned off, if your device's storage gets low, messages older than 90 days may be deleted. Tap Turn off on the pop-up. You can also choose to delete secure storage here, if you would like to delete all of the chat history that you currently have stored. Secure storage is now turned off. Messenger will no longer store your end-to-end encrypted chat history for you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.